iPhone 4 front glass assembly repair. Warning: this repair will void your warranty. You are performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur. On a level scale, this is a hard repair, and it will take about 40 minutes to complete. To perform this repair, you will need 5-point pentalobe screwdriver. If your iPhone 4 has pentalobe bottom screws, 00 Phillips screwdriver, spudger, metal pry tool, tweezers, flathead screwdriver, SIM eject tool, precision knife. Optional, we recommend using Magmat for all your repair needs. To see Magmat in action, see our Magmat video. All these products and tools can be purchased at iPhoneRepairMiamiBeach.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter. Turn off your iPhone. Remove the two bottom screws next to the dock connector. Push the rear panel toward the top of the iPhone and remove the rear panel. Remove the Phillips screw, securing the battery to the motherboard. Disconnect the battery and make sure not to lose a small contact. Insert metal pry tool on the right side of the battery and remove the battery. Remove the following two screws and remove the dock connector flex cover. Remove the following two Phillips screws securing the vibrator to the frame and remove the vibrator. Remove the following 5 Phillips screws securing the Wi-Fi antenna to the motherboard and remove the antenna. Use spudger to disconnect front camera, power button, audio jack, LCD and digitizer cables. At last, unplug and remove the camera. Disconnect the dock connector flex cable. Disconnect the signal antenna. Remove the water indicator and the following 2 Phillips and 1 flathead screws securing motherboard in place. Remove the SIM tray. Carefully remove the motherboard from the iPhone. Remove the following Phillips screw holding loudspeaker housing in place and remove the loudspeaker housing. Remove the 4-corner Phillips screws. Remove 6 Phillips screws, 3 along each side of the iPhone. Insert metal pry tool between the steel inner frame and the plastic frame of the glass. Carefully start prying around the front display assembly. Remove the display assembly. Be careful not to tear the LCD and digitizer flex cables. To reassemble your device, follow the steps in reverse order. Note: if your glass was shattered, make sure you take off the adhesive and clean your frame. Do not forget to put back the ear speaker mesh. When reinstalling front glass assembly, make sure digitizer and LCD flex cables are completely pulled through the hole in the frame. If it gets stuck, do not pull the flex cable since it is very fragile and it will probably tear. When front assembly is completely in, digitizer and flex cables should be aligned.